so far, I would love to escape, but now I'm bound by the burn of your eyes. Looking on as I'm starting to realize I'm a pawn in your game, and this is checkmate. As the roses lift their heads to catch a glimpse of my demise, you'll be throwing lies around like ocean waves throw down the tides, and they are breaking on my shore. And the rescue team won't save me now, I'm out too far. So I'll waste these nights for a while, but I'll be holding on to you forever. This is where my heart is cold and torn. As I read the words you wrote last night, the butterflies are creeping through my spine.